My name is Madeline Geffert, and I am a 2018 graduate of the Kettering University School of Management. I currently work at the law firm of McDonald Hopkins as a business development specialist. I chose Kettering because I could see the type of high-impact professionals that were emerging out of the university, and I wanted to be like them. And a great example, a role model of mine would be my aunt, who is a Kettering University alumni. And so to me, my perspective was Kettering University was the successful career launchpad, and I wanted to be a part of it. What makes Kettering different is the attentiveness of the educators. So because of the small class sizes, you have an opportunity to get to know your professors really well, and they have an opportunity to get to know you and become personally invested in whatever your educational or professional goals are. The advice that I would give to Kettering students is to take full advantage of the co-op experience, because this is an invaluable opportunity that students at other universities are just not getting. Get deeply connected in the organizations where you are co-oping and take opportunities to speak with your supervisors and your team and the senior associates, and join groups and just get as deeply involved as you can. When you are co-oping at these companies, you are learning from the absolute best in the industry, and you have an opportunity to work with these companies that are setting the pace for technological advancement, and that is very rare.